Yo, leg day Monday, Marc Lobliner, TigerFitness.com. And I'm training with Katie today. So I got her drink mixed up, my drink mixed up. We have a letter on top so we can distinguish what cup is which. Pre-workout, rocking out, oh yeah. Carbolic, MTS Whey, and some ALR HumaPro. I like this stack, and for my stim stack, separate cups. Why? You mix all this stuff together, it will taste like utter ass. They all taste pretty good alone. But once you put them together, it's terrible. So you got Craze and Hemavol in one cup, and then in the other cup, you got MTS Nutrition Whey, Carbolic, which I think drives nutrients into cells like nothing else. Another great workout shoulder video put up yesterday on tape. And of course some of the HumaPro, which I'm becoming a fan of. And also take an iLoad with it. iLoad is your nice little carbohydrate. Boom, go straight to your cells. Combine that with Carbolic and TerraSport, you're good. Core ABC in our during workout drink, and post workout I'm going to throw in some Cell Tech and some MTS Nutrition Whey. Still like that dextrose post workout. That's what we're doing today. I'm going to do leg day. Now I'm going to throw in something that was showed to me by my buddy in California. Essentially what it is, it's called Health Centrics by Universal Nutrition, another great company. And what you're going to do, you do 8 positive reps. And on the 8th one, you go down 5 seconds, slow negatives. We're going to start in pre-exhaust with that. Going to do a leg press hack squat. Throw in some really light squats, because I still like doing squats, even though I don't think I'm structurally made for squats. And it does put a lot of pressure when I go heavy on the lower back. By pre-exhausting first, and then moving on to those fourth in my workout. My quads are going to get full stimulation. Excuse me. Quads are going to get full stimulation without having to put unnecessary pressure on the lower back. Now, all you little internet tough guys, like, oh, you gotta squat first, you gotta squat first. I've been squatting first my whole life. My legs were a weak point. It wasn't until Dorian told me to stop squatting that my legs actually grow and don't suck as much. So, it is what it is. So all you freaks who believe the big three are the only things you can do, you need to think outside the box sometimes when you hit sticking points. And Dorian was the one who got me there. As for what I'm doing, I've decided I'm kind of maxed out as far as calories right now. I'm going to cruise in, try to maintain between 225 and 235 consistently, and see what happens from there. I'm maintaining leanness. I got plenty of time to grow. I have no stage time in sight. So I'm just going to take this nice and slow, grow, and let my stomach adjust the amount of calories. I'm telling you, it's been fart central around here. I've been getting in all the calories I can. I've even been going off my plan. I had pizza yesterday. Bottom line is, it's just gotten to a point where, you know, anything over 6, 7, 8,000 calories is getting a lot. So I'm going to keep training, keep doing my thing, and I'm not going to purposely force feed more than I'm force feeding now. And if weight gain happens, it happens. That's my bulk update. As far as everything else concerns, I'm giving X Factor a run right now. Too early to tell what's going on. They say to look at partitioning, pumps, all that good stuff through arachidonic acid. We'll see what happens. It's leg day. We're about to go. Long day of work ahead. It looks pretty busy for me. Marc Lobliner, TigerFitness.com. Peace out.
Is it? Hard. Put your weight into it. Get it. Is that fun? It's awesome. Here, come on. Good. Come on. Is it right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I need to push down. Just let it down slow. 3, 4, 2 more. 5 more. Let's go. Nope. Good. Good. Come on. Good. Nice. Good. Come on. Good job. By the time I get to squats, my quads are already pre-exhausted.
Yeah.
So it's hitting before my back fatigues, my quads actually get hit. I probably shouldn't even do squats anymore. I mean, Dorian said, no need for you with your build to do squats. So you're not really built for them. And I do them just because it was ingrained in my head that it's not a leg workout unless you do squats. Theoretically, I should probably just cut them out.
Let's not find out.
I'm doing this and getting good results. Should I change it? Just answer your own question. If you're getting good results, why change?
I mean, I definitely put on muscle at a time. But like you talking about overhead press, you know, I want to keep my back. I can touch my toes. Like, you used to be able to get down and like get out of my knuckles and start working out my fingers.
That's pretty good since you're tall too.
Yeah. Hamstring.
Yeah, see this, I've been doing this for biceps and triceps with overhead on triceps, really good. One arm on biceps. We do it on hamstring curls. I'm not doing it on squats. That last rep would hurt.